I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must use Microsoft Edge for the only reliable method. First, open Edge and go to the website you want as a shortcut. Make sure you're on the exact page and signed in if needed. Once there, open the Edge menu, 3 dots in the top right. This starts the conversion to a progressive web app. This step matters because Windows treats installed sites as apps, so you get a proper shortcut that can be pinned and managed like any desktop app. Next, choose Apps from the Edge menu and select Install this site as an app. Name it clearly so you'll recognize it on the Start menu or desktop. Click Install and wait a few seconds. Edge creates a Windows app wrapper. Once done, open Start and go to All Apps to locate the new entry. You can run it like an app. Make sure it launched successfully before creating a desktop shortcut so the system registers the install correctly and surfaces the files we'll need. Finally, right-click the installed app in Start, choose More, then Open File Location. That opens File Explorer showing the app shortcut. Drag that shortcut to the desktop or right-click it and select Send to Right Arrow Desktop, Create Shortcut. You can also pin to Start or the taskbar from here. If you don't see the app, make sure Edge is up to date, restart Windows, and reinstall the site as an app. These steps usually fix missing shortcuts or register.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.